Hello all, welcome to Random Art with Karen, and it's Kraftgali card day. I'm using those same two stamp sets that I have fallen in love with because they got that versatility vibe. Pink Fresh Studio Fleur 2, Paper Smooches Faith Sampler. So I'm going to start out by die cutting my cardstock. So let me go do that, and then I'll be right back. All right. Don't you love this lovely sweet pear color? Just like a little bit of happy. Looks like I might have gotten a little debris here. I had to start this video over several times because my cat kept jumping up here wanting to see what was going on. If you have a cat, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Know exactly what I'm talking about. What are you doing? Ooh, that looks like that'd be fun to just knock off. So on my sentiment, I went ahead and placed all the words on one block so that I could feel like I got everything lined up like I wanted to. And then of course I tested it out on a scrap sheet of paper. So let me get this inked up real good. Yes, I love my little kitties. They keep me happy, but they love being in my craft room and checking out all the fun stuff that I have. All right. I hope I don't get my head in here because I want to trying to see if I get where I want it to be. Press on all the words. Come straight back up. Oh, wow. Look what a beautiful image that came out. Okay. Now I'm going to get some of these beautiful flowers from the Pink Fresh Studio Fleur set. Use some different colors here. I'm going to use a real pretty berry color. And I've shown you this before, that on these stamps, so if you notice, when I put this down, it kind of naturally curves that way. But if I want to, I can kind of manipulate it to curve the other way. So, and I just realized I'm going to need to get a scratch sheet of paper to put underneath here because I'm going to be going over that edge. And I don't want it to get on my surface. Okay. Stamping this beautiful, it's like a berry color. Straight down, straight back up. Put this pretty one aside. I think I'm going to go with some green here. This, to coordinate with that sweet pear cardstock. I want to try to get things kind of snuggled in together there. Snuggled. And I like this other flower here. I'm going to do that and that pretty berry. Of course, whatever colors you have in your stash that coordinate and complement each other, that's what I would go with. And let's do a little more green. There's a lot of beautiful greenery in this set. I think I need to get some height up here to kind of give it a balance. Don't you think? Yeah, I think so too. All right, so let's get this guy. And again, come with that beautiful berry color. Let's see, do I need to manipulate it? Yeah, I think I will. I think I'll get him to curve the other way too, or her. Him or her. Yeah, that gets me some nice height up there. And bring in some more green. Excuse me, but it's 'tis the season to be sneezing. Anytime there's a change in weather, and we had this cold front come through. I live in Middle Tennessee. Actually, I'm near Nashville. And yeah, we got a little dusting of snow. But right now, it's like 19 and 20 degrees. I know, for us, that's a little chilly. For some of you, I know that's not a big deal. All right, I'm going to come in here with some more greenery and fill in those spots. Just to, like I said, I'd like to get it all the way through. And now you get to see all the different kinds of greenery that are in this beautiful stamp set from Pink Fresh Studio. A little bit right there. Okay. All right. I think I like that for right now. I may come back. Who knows? Who knows? I want to put a pretty little butterfly. And get these other colors. I'm going to do my butterfly in a pretty orange, just a bright, bright orange. And put my butterfly. Don't need that anymore because I'm not going off the edge. Right there. And there was a beautiful bird. Where's my bird? There's my bird. I was beginning to think, did my cat knock that bird off the table? I wouldn't be surprised if he did. Would not be surprised at all. All right. And where do I want my bird? Put him about, I would really like him up there. Did I leave myself some space? It'll be okay. Wherever I put it, right? Yeah, it's my world. It's my world. Okay, I'm loving all the color I got going on. It's a happy card. Happy card. Let me get the tops on my ink pads so they don't dry out. And then get this beautiful sweet pear. Mount on that, or mat on that. And then that. Okay, let me get my adhesive. Yes, if you've seen my card videos before, I'm a clean and simple kind of gal. I think a good reason, or one of the reasons I'm clean and simple is because I'm impatient. When I want things, I want them now. I don't want them later. I tried years ago, my friend wanted me to take a quilting class with her. And so I did. And if you've ever taken quilting, that's a long process. It was fun. I always enjoy learning something new. I did finish a pillow. That was the extent of my quilting. But this lady, she did it out of her garage. She did everything by hand. She made her own templates. Yeah, it was a good learning experience. Like I said, it's fun to always learn something new. Okay, and get some adhesive here. Again, I apologize for my sniffles. So rude, so rude. Put a little more adhesive on there. I love this white liner, because you pull off just the exact amount that you need. And then I'll just, if I have a little extra, I just tack it on the side end of my table for my next project. So Kraftgali, I've said it before, I'll say it again. They have all of your favorite stamp sets. And Princey just went to Creativation 2019 to see all the new products. So I think you're going to be seeing a lot of fun new stuff in the shop. Definitely join, of course, our Facebook page and visit the blog for tons of inspiration. And here is my card for the day. He is the loving God. And I hope you liked what I did today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. definitely check the descriptor box where you'll find the website to shop at Kraftgali, and the blog, and the Facebook page. And yes, I've been stamping. I appreciate y'all. Let's do the wave bye. Look forward to Kraftgali stamping with you next Tuesday.